morning. My name is Siddhartha. I am going to teach you about the basic manufacturing technology. In that, we have been discussing about the lathe machines. Okay? So before going to start today's session, we know already we have to recall the study session. Right? So what we have learned in study session. And by 2 days, we are now discussing about the types of production units. Okay? We know the types of production units and what is production unit. Production unit means we are doing some modifications on engine unit. So we are getting to meet the production demand. We are making some modifications on the engine unit. So that is called production unit. The production unit is suitable for mass and batch productions. Mass and batch productions. Okay. And in that we have discussed about the types of production units. What are those? Capstan lathe, tablet lathe, automatic lathe, semi-automatic lathe, NC lathe, and CNC lathe. So we have discussed about that. And we are in yesterday's session we have discussed about the capstan and the tablet lathe. Okay, what difference to tablet lathe and what difference to capstan. So in tablet lathe, tablet attachment is replace the page. In the tablet, we are having 6 tools, right? So we are the tool changing time is less in tablet lathe because we have already fixed the tool with one time. So there is no replacement of the tool after doing some operation. Just we are changing the tool for particular operation. What we need only one piece. Okay. So tablet lathes are suitable for productivity increases, and within the less time they are producing the number of products. Productivity increases, precision increases, accuracy increases. So many advantages we are getting by using the tablet. So after that we are moving to the working principle of capstan lathe. So the capstan lathe is also similar to the tablet lathe. But the change is here the turret is fixed on the ram. In capstan lathe, turret is fixed on the ram. Whereas in turret lathe, the turret is fixed on the saddle. Here in capstan lathe, the turret is fixed on the ram and the ram is fixed on the saddle. So for the longitudinal movement, the ram is sliding on the saddle. In the turret lathe, the turret is moving on the saddle for longitudinal. So that is the main difference between the capstan and turret. And the other difference is the capstan lathes are suitable for small job operations, doing small operations, small industry tasks. Okay? They are suitable for small industries. Whereas turret lathes are suitable for large. Okay, these are the differences between turret and capstan lathe we have discussed now. So it is suitable for capstan, it is suitable for small industries, that is capstan lathe, and turret lathe is suitable for large scale industries, right? And here the RAM is here in capstan lathe on this RAM, the turret is fixed in the turret, is fixed on the saddle. Here the movement is in the capstan lathe, the movement of the turret is controlled automatically itself. Automatically it is controlled its movement. Whereas in turret lathe, the movement is controlled. The longitudinal movement is controlled by some stops not provided. So with that, the movements are controlled. Okay. So these are the basic differences between the capsule and direct lathe, and we have discussed in yesterday's session. So these are the topics we have covered so far by day before yesterday and yesterday itself. Types of production lathe, working principle of direct lathe, and working principle of capsule lathe, and the differences between direct and capsule lathe. Right? Now we are going to today's topic, that is features of automatic lathe. As we know some of the points about the automatic lathe, as we have discussed about the features of capsule lathe and direct lathe. The same way we have to discuss about the features of automatic lathe and what are the importance in industries. Automatic lathe importance in industries and in the type of popular types of automatic lathe that have to be discussed in today's session. Right? So we know about the automatic lathe, some of the points we have discussed and covered in our previous lecture. Right? Today we are going to discussing about the detail of the automatic lathe. And that we are going to discussing about the semi-automatic lathe also. Right? So today we are now discussing about the features of automatic lathe and what is the importance in industries, right? And popular types of automatic lathes. Automatic lathe features. So we know some of the points in that we have covered and the not covered point we have discussed here. Minimum manpower. So the name itself tells that automatic. Automatic means some of the works which are done by the manual are replaced with the machine itself. Okay? Automatic means some of the works which are done by the manpower replaced with machine itself. That when we can simple terms we can tell that is called automatic. Here automatic lathe in that we have the first point is the minimum manpower utilized. Minimum manpower is utilized. So manpower అనేది we can reduce here, right? So manpower reduced means one machine, one man can operate one or two machines or what number of machines. He can operate number of machines at a time, right? That's why we can reduce the manpower. Actually, in bench type lathe and conventional lathes, one machine need one man, right, while doing the operation. But in the automatic lathe, one machine replace the one man can do the number of machines at a time. Can do the operations on the number of machines. One man can do the number of machines at a time. This means for mass production. So automatic lathe is used for mass production also. Mass production means identical parts, similar parts. Can produce a number, so many. So that's why it is called as a mass production, right? So it is meant for mass production. Manual machine controls replaced by various mechanisms. In this, manual machine controls replaced by various mechanisms. Some of the in conventional type we are operating the carriage and while doing the operation some of the if we want to change the speed ratio we can operate the levers. We have to change the pulleys. We can operate the levers, the man, and in conventional machine while doing the operation, we have to give the feed the manually to give the feeding and doing some change, some controllings also. But in case of automatic lathes, manual machine controls replaced by various mechanisms. In this, various mechanisms are appeared. So with that mechanisms, we have replaced the manual manual work. Right. Some of the controls are under the uh, manual operated, but they are also replaced with different types of various mechanisms in automatic mode, right? to eliminate the amount of skilled labor, right? So in the conventional machine, if you want to do the precision work or if you want to do the accuracy needed, we need a skilled labor. That means some skilled person, some experienced labor we need while doing the operation. But it automatically, everything has been done by the machine itself. So the controls also under the hand of machine itself. So here there is no need of skilled labor. We can eliminate the skilled labor, right? Junior mean also some of the unskilled labors also doing the machining work. Understood? So here it eliminates the amount of skilled labor also. So what are the points covered so far? Minimum power utilized, and it is used for mass production. Manual machine controls are replaced by various mechanisms, and it eliminates the amount of skilled labor. And mechanisms enabled to follow certain prescribed frequency. In this, mechanisms enabled to follow certain prescribed frequency. Parts are fed and removed automatically. So mechanisms enable to follow certain prescribed frequency. So with some frequency they are moved. Uh, we can achieve if we are not having that frequency. There is no controlling while doing the machining operation because the mechanisms are moving themselves. There are no skilled labor and there is no operator. Automatically they are doing. For that reason, we are setting some frequency. So with that some frequency only the mechanisms are followed and doing the machining work, right? Otherwise, there is some mistakes happen while doing the machining operation. And the parts are fed and removed automatically. Here, automatic means compared to semi-automatic and automatic. This is a very important point as we are discussing now. Parts are fed and removed automatically. In the semi-automatic lathe, only the thing is that parts are fed and removed by manually. So that is the difference between automatic lathe and semi-automatic lathe. But the change here is the parts are fed and removed automatically in automatic lathe. So here there is no manpower and there is no skilled labor. Simply the machine is loading the workpieces and doing the machining and removing the material and sending to the inspection section. So these are the operations have already done by the automatic lathe. Simply not need of any skilled labor, but in semi-automatic lathe, the point, this is the point, parts are fed and removed automatically. This has been done by the automatic lathe. And here, minimizing the loading and unloading time. Loading and unloading time. These are the points are taking us to increase the capacity, increasing the productivity, right? So minimizing the loading and unloading time, minimizing. So the loading and unloading of the machine pieces also reduces by using the automatic lathe because here it is done by the automatically. That's why minimizing loading and unloading time also reduces. May have single or multiple spindles. So these are all features of automatic lathes. So automatic lathes having single or multiple spindles. Single spindle automatic lathes we have observed, and the multiple spindles also we have observed so far. Tool setup time may be permanent. Here, tool setup time may be permanent. We are in the tool within the time and the finishes within the permanent condition. And in the automatic lathes, they are having single spindle and multiple spindles. In that, they have horizontal or vertical spindles. Automatic lathes may have horizontal or vertical spindles. So it may rotate it in horizontal direction or the spindle may rotate in vertical direction. So in the both directions, the spindle may rotate in automatic lathes, right? So it is having a single or multiple spindles. At a time, we can do there are so many number of operations in single spindle. We are have fixed one job, and in multiple spindles, we can fix two or more jobs at a time, and two or more operations are done at a time. So this is the advantage when doing the operation on the automatic way, right? So by doing automatically, we are getting the accuracy can be obtained because manually operated machines may get accuracy, but with the static increases of the operator, static increase of the operator, the cyclic operations will increase, cyclic operation as well. The static affect the operator because of the static, right? So accuracy, it reflects the accuracy. So it may damage the accuracy of the product. So that's why we are doing the operations on automatically. We are getting the accuracy is more, right? So accuracy also can be obtained by doing the automatic lens. Okay? So these are the points, features of the automatic lens, right? So overall, totally, we have 10 points. So minimum power can be utilized made for mass production. Manual machine controls replaced by various mechanisms to eliminate the amount of skilled labor. Mechanisms enable to follow subtle prescribed frequency. Parts are get removed automatically, minimizing the loading and unloading time. May have single or multiple spindles. Tool setup may be permanent, may have horizontal or vertical spindles, and more accuracy can be obtained in the automatic blades because the operator involvement is less, so accuracy is increases. If the operator involvement is more, there is a fatigue is there because of that fatigue. It increases the it decreases the accuracy of the product. So in the picture we are observing a single spindle automatic lathe. The single spindle automatic lathe means in this single spindle is only attached. Only single spindle is there because of the single spindle. We are doing only one operation, one machine operation at a time, right? So in that all there is no operator not done here. So all are done by manually, automatically. For doing these operations, some mechanisms are inbuilt in this automatic spindle machine. So based on that movement, the spindle movement, uh, based on that mechanisms, automatic spindles are worked, right? So by this, we are getting different types of workplaces, operations, and accuracy is we are getting more, and the precision also we are observing. So this is the single spindle automatic lathe and single spindle automatic lathe, right? We have observed already in the diagram. So this is the multi-spindle automatic lathe. In this multi-spindle automatic lathe, we are having different types of mechanisms, right? Doing the operations. And multi-spindle automatic lathe means we can fix two workpieces at a time, and we can do the two operations at a time. One operation on one workpiece and another operation on one workpiece. So every time we are increasing the productivity with multi-spindle automatic lathe, we can increase the productivity by using the multi-spindle automatic lathe. At a time, we are producing a number of products, okay, and increases the productivity and decreases the decreases the loading and unloading time. And this is also automatic lathe as we have observed. So automatic lathe as we have observed. So here you can observe this. This is the we can tell that it is a tool, multi-spindle tool magazine. So with this tool magazine, we are fixing number of tools. So with this, we can do the operations at a time. So this is the Swiss type of automatic lathe. So many number of automatic lathes we are having in that multi-spindle automatic lathe, single spindle automatic lathe, Swiss type automatic lathe. Okay. In automatic lathes, operating sequences will be carried out by cam or actuator. I have already told you some mechanisms are inbuilt in the automatic lathes by replacing the manual power. So with that mechanisms, how they are operated, they are operating by sequence will be operating sequences will be carried out by cam or actuator. Some actuator is in the actuators are nothing but motors, right? Mechanisms, right? So some of the motors, all are motors, servo motors, stepper motors. Based on our requirement, we are fixing different types of motors in different places. So we are fixing the sequences also. So by actuating these operating sequences are carried out by the actuator, and simultaneous multi-feature operation is common feature in the automatic mode. Simultaneous multi-feature means one by one the operation has been done, one after another operation has been done in the automatic lathe. So this is all carried out by the actuators. The actuators actuate the mechanisms. Generally, actuators are nothing but motors, servo motors, stepper motors, and DC motors. So these are the actuators. These are observed in our diagram also, in our machine also. Here we can easily observe this. So this is the actuator. Here it is used for the rotating the spindle, and some of the motors also fixed in this. So these are also used to use in the fitting of the work. Okay. So this is the cam of an automatic lathe to operate the tool head. Okay. In automatic lathes, number of attachments available, work loading magazines, cross drilling attachment, calling and turning attachment, slot milling attachment. Number of attachments. So these automatic lathes, we are having a number of attachments, work loading magazines, cross drilling attachment, polygon turning attachment, slot milling attachment. So these attachments have already we have discussed that work loading magazines means loading and unloading of the work pieces has been done, and cross drilling attachment doing the drilling operations we are attaching these cross drillings. Polygon turning attachment means number of cutting tools are attached on the polygon machine. Polygon yeah, type. So slot milling attachment, if we want to do the slotting operations by doing the automatic lathe, generally slotting operation has been done by the milling machine or shaping machines, but here we can do these lathe machines with the slot attachments also. So these are the attachments available. So we can call this also features of the automatic lathes, work loading magazines, cross drilling attachment, polygon turning attachment, slot milling attachments, right? Automatic lathes can machine irregular jobs also. And the special feature here is the automatic lathes can machine irregular jobs also. Some of the operations have not done by properly with the bench lathe or some of the other lathe engine lathes. So the type of irregular jobs may be done by the automatic lathes. Okay. So, and these are suitable for medium to high value production. Automatic lathes are suitable for medium to high value production. We can value means the number of products range. So these are suitable for medium range to high value range production. So automatic lathes are having two types. In that, one of the type is chucking lathe, and the second one is a screw automatic bar machine. Okay. In chucking lathe is also a automatic lathe, and screw machine is also a automatic lathe. So these are the types of automatic lathes, and automatic lathes are suitable for medium to high value production. and they are used for irregular machines also. So in that chucking lathe and another one is the screw making. We are first now going to discussing about the checking lathes. The checking lathes, which is called checking lathe, first we have to know that point. Automatic lathes without a tailstock are called checking machines or checkers. Okay, so generally every machine is having a checking checks. Check is the work holding unit. So we have number of types of checks are there. Okay, in that Rija, universal check and code independent check are generally used. But here we are called HR checking lathes. With that, we can tell that automatic lathes without a tailstone are called checking machines. Why it is called checking machines? Because it is an automatic lathe, but there is no uh, availability of tailstone, but which all operations are done by the machine itself. That's why it is called as an automatic lathe. And checking lathe means there is no tailstone up here. Checking lathes are suitable for short workpiece machines. So lengthy jobs are not done by the checking lathes. We know that we can easily tell this point because here there is no tailstock. What is the main purpose of tailstock here? The main purpose of tailstock is to support the long jumps, to support the lengthy jumps, right? So to support the lengthy jumps, we need a tailstock. So by doing the operation, any vibrational effects are produced, the tailstock support the long or lengthy jumps. But here, the tailstock is also not appeared in the checking lathes, automatic lathes. So that's why uh, these checking lathes are suitable for short workpiece machines and it is not suitable for long workpieces. And it is a monoblock type bed and single block type bed. Single operation has been done, that's why it is called as a monoblock type bed and it is suitable for mass production. Checking lathes are suitable for mass production. So we know already that mass production means every time we can tell that mass production means a number of identical parts produced in a less time. So that type of production may be called as a mass production. And but there is some drawback is there that is we have already discussed that L/D ratio is greater than 1, that is length and diameter of the workpiece. If we calculating length and diameter of the workpiece ratio is greater than 1, that cannot accommodate in the checking lathes because checking lathes are suitable for short workpiece machines. So that's why that limitation is there here, L/D ratio greater than 1. Okay? So that's why it is not suitable for the lengthy jobs. Okay? So L/D, suppose if you take L is the length is the 300 mm and sorry, length is 600 mm and the diameter 300 mm. So 600 by 300 we are getting the 2. Then 2 by 2, so 300, 600 divided by 2. We are getting the 2, so that is greater than 1. So that type of products, that type of not product, that is the type of work pieces are not accommodated in the checking rate. Say if length is 300 and diameter is length is 300 and diameter is suppose length is 150 and the diameter is 300. So 1 by 2 ratio we are getting that is 0.5, so that not greater than 1. So that is less than 1. So that type of products accommodate in the. So what we have observed by doing this, so if we are observing that by doing this calculation, so the length should be short compared to the diameter. The length should be short compared to the diameter. So that type of products accommodate in the that type of products are accommodated in the checking lists, right? So that's why the checking lists are suitable for short workpiece machines and the monoblock type frame which is suitable for mass production and cannot accommodate in length and diameter ratio value greater than 1. Right? So these are the one of the type of checking layers in the automatic lathe. Each of the lathe we can call check lathe if the automatic tool lathe is not having the tail stop, right? In simple words, we can tell that in automatic lathe, if we are not having tail stop, the type of lathe is called as a checking lathe. Automatic bar machines. The second one, this is also one of the type of automatic lathe machine. So here also it is also called as an automatic screw machine. Automatic bar machines, we can also call it as a screw machine. Essentially, a screw machine is an automated turret lathe. Is essentially it is called as an automated turret lathe. So in this automatic screw machines, it is having a turret. Generally, a turret is having 6 screws. So those are fixed in the turret head. So we can do the operations one by one by doing this automatic machine. So the essential screw machine is automatic turret lathe. Screw machines sits at the top when large volume of current is needed. Screw machine sits at the top when large volume of product is needed. Whenever we have to produce the large volume of product, so large volume means number of products, number of products we needed, large volume. Similar number of products similar number of operations have to be done on the products. So that type of products we can have to produce on the screw machine. At that time, screw machine sits at the top with a large volume of product is needed. Okay, so this is also called as a screw machines, and here turret is appeared on the lathe. Okay, simple terms we can tell that if the automatic lathe is not having the tail stop, it is called as a check lathe. If the automatic tool is having the turret, that is called as a automated turret. That is called as a automatic bar machines, and also they are called as a automatic screw machines. Right? In this screw machine sits at the top when large volume of the product is needed. In the picture, we are observing that automatic bar machines, right? So, if we want to uh, produce the large volume of the product, we quickly the screw machine sits on the top of the machine. So that's why the operation has been done one by one on the workspace itself. So we are getting the products, we are getting the large volume of the products by using the automatic bar machines or automatic screw machines. Okay. So this is also one of the machine brown and sharp single spindle screw machine. Brown and sharp single spindle screw machine. Observe that here it is a turret. So turret is having holes. On this holes we have fixed our cutting tools. Here it is a spindle is rotating. In this we have fixed our piece. Okay, the brown and sharp single spindle screw machine will appear like this. Okay, so this is the turret. Count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally it is like hexagonal turret type. So in the hexagonal turret type we have fixed 6 types of tools. Okay, this is automatic bar machines. So the brown and sharp single spindle screw machines observe the diagram. Okay. Upper slide cam, bar feeder, upper slide spindle, cross slide, tool turret, turret cam, dog carriers, spindle reverse and index, reverse and turret index. Okay. Bar feeder, upper slide cam, upper slide spindle, cross slide cam, the dollars is represent short single spindle screw machines. We can observe in the figure itself, right? So carefully the diagram. So today, let us summarize some of the things for going to our self decision. So automatic lathes we have discussed this so far, right? About the automatic lathe. So some of the features we have discussed that automatic lathe is used for mass productions, and there is no manpower is needed in automatic lathes. Productivity increases, minimize the loading and unloading, and part to be fed automatically. There is no need of manpower, and accuracy getting more compared to the conventional machines. Okay, that type of points are covered in automatic lathe, and also one of the important point here is it is suitable for medium to high value mass production. Automatic lathes are suitable for medium to high value mass production. And after that, we have discussed about the different types of automatic lathes, chipping machines, and screw machines. Which is called checking lathe. If the automatic lathe is not having the paid stock, that machine is called checking machine, checking lathe, right? With the automatic tool, automatic lathe is having the ferret head. That machine is called automatic screw machines, and we can also call it as automatic bar machines. Understood? So these are the points covered so far, and let us do some discussions also based on this topic, right? After that, we are moving to another session, another topic, right? So first of all, we have to do some machining operations. Sorry about the discussions. Automatic lathes generally automated by mechanical elements, electronic controls, manual controls. Mechanical elements, these are all automatically controlled. Automatic lathes are suitable for job production, high value production, continuous production. You can simply tell that these are suitable for high value production. Which of the following statement is wrong regarding checking lathe? Tail stock missing is the correct one. Suitable for mass production is the correct one. Can accommodate jobs of size L by D greater than 1. So this is the wrong point because checking lathes are not accommodate L by D greater than 1. They can accommodate only L by D less than 1 or L by D is equal to 1 operations. So these are the frequently asked questions. Write down different types of automatic lathes, give the features of the automatic lathe, write about checking lathe. Alright, now we are moving to discuss about the use of the new topic. Now we are moving to discussing about the semi-automatic lathe. So semi-automatic lathes are developed from limitations with automatic lathe. The limitations with semi-automatic lathe are developed. What are the limitations with automatic lathe that we have to observe? So these automatic lathes are very costlier because all other equipments are replaced with manual or replaced with automatic mechanism. So it's um, capacity tools tools are increased. Okay? So that's why it is very costlier machine because mechanisms are operated by actuators. So that actuators, so many actuators are increased. That's why its cost also increases, and complicated mechanisms. With that semi-automatic lathe, automatic mechanism also complicated because all are done by the machine itself. So that's why mechanism also very complicated, and job size limitations. Now automatic lathe job size also is a limited point because it is suitable for medium to high value production, and it is not suitable for short job productions. That's why job size limitations also is there in automatically, and the maintenance problems. Maintenance problems also occurred in automatically. So these are the limitations are appeared in automatically. To overcome this all these points, we are developing the semi-automatic lathe here, eliminating or decreasing level of automation. Okay? Eliminating or decreasing level of automation, allowing human intervention. In automatic lathe, there is no human intervention is there, right? So, but in semi-automatic lathe, we are allowing human intervention and decreasing the level of automation also. Automation is eliminated at the loading of workpieces and unloading of finished jobs. As I already told that the loading of workpieces and unloading of finished jobs has also done automatically in automatic lathe machines. But in semi-automatic lathe, we are replacing this job by with human intervention. With human intervention, the loading of workpieces and unloading of finished jobs are done by the machine manual itself. Okay, so this is the some of the limitations are eliminated by the semi-automatic lathe compared to the automatic lathe. And the semi-automatic lathes are production lathes with human involvement of certain operations. Semi-automatic lathes are production lathes with human involvement of certain operations. Capstan and turret lathes with additional attachments becomes semi-automatic lathes. So we know already about the capstan and turret lathe. In capstan and turret lathe, if we are adding some additional attachment to that, it should become a semi-automatic lathe. Okay, and also called retrofitting. Semi-automatic lathes are also called as retrofitting operations. Semi-automatic lathe machines. And wide range of jobs can be accommodated in a semi-automatic lathe. So these are the points in the semi-automatic lathes. Higher production rates. Semi-automatic lathes are production lathes with human involvement for certain operations. Whereas in automatic lathe, there is no human involvement in operation. Only all operations are done by the machine itself. What are those called semi-automatic lathe? Which are called semi-automatic lathes. The capsule and turret lathes with additional attachments become semi-automatic lathes. Okay, and also they are called as retrofitting. Wide range of jobs can be accommodated and higher production rates. In these additional attachments of semi-automatic lathes, hot starting mechanism by providing stops for saddle at appropriate places, automatic indexing of saddles by providing collet checks and pneumatic checks. So these are the additional attachments of semi-automatic lathes. By doing these attachments, we are getting the semi-automatic lathe bar stop feeding mechanism by providing stops for saddle at appropriate places, automatic indexing of saddles by providing collet checks and pneumatic checks. Right? So these are the attachments give the normal lathes to the automatic lathe. This is the ordinary capstan lathe that we have observed already in yesterday's session. If we are attaching some special features to this capstan lathe, we are getting the automatic semi-automatic lathe. Okay, so these are the features, these are the attachments, these are the automatic lathe, automatic indexing of saddles by providing carriage checks and pneumatic checks. Capstan lathe with the semi-automatic arrangement, with the capstan lathe with the semi-automatic arrangement. So we know already that semi-automatic arrangement, these are the features, are giving that semi-automatic feature. Fast start feeding mechanism by providing start for saddles at appropriate places, automatic mixing of saddles by providing collet checks and pneumatic checks. So that's how it placed. This is the ordinary current lathe as we have observed in the yesterday's class itself. Vertical current lathe with semi-automatic arrangement. Other types of semi-automatic lathes are single spindle automatic semi-automatic lathe, multi-spindle semi-automatic lathe, checking type automatic lathe, arc type lathe, horizontal spindle, vertical spindle. Okay, so these are the types of semi-automatic lathes. So single spindle, multi-spindle, checking type, bar star, checking type, bar type, horizontal spindle, vertical spindle. Features of automated semi-automatic lathe is a special and automatic tool changer in this. Automatic tool changer is there. Whichever the tool is needed, the tool is appeared when doing the particular operation. And automatic work feeding into the check. Work feeding is also automatically done. There is special operations can be performed. Wide ranges of jobs have been done. Okay. Advantages of semi-automatic lathes: higher production rates than ordinary lathe machines, and cheaper than automatic lathes. Easy loading and unloading of jobs, easy repair and maintenance, and in wide range of jobs. Batch production targets can be achieved easily. So these are the advantages of automatic lathes. Limitations: indexing of tools requires a special fixing. Intermittent inspection is difficult. Special attachment to the cutting tool is required. Costlier compared to ordinary lathes. Indexing of tools requires special skill. Intermittent inspection is difficult. Special attachment to the cutting tool is required. Costlier compared to the ordinary lathes. Right. So let us summarize. We have discussed the semi-automatic lathes. Let's relate with some automatic lathes. Semi-automatic lathes suitable for batch type productions. Turret and capsule lathes may be converted into semi-automatic lathes by doing all this, by learning this, with everything simply to answer these two questions. Semi-automatic lathes are suitable for job production, batch production, and mass production. So it is suitable for batch production. So the capsule and turret lathe with the special arrangements give the semi-automatic lathes. In this semi-automatic lathe, here human intervention is there, right? The following operations performed manually in semi-automatic lathes: tool changing, machine setup, unloading of finished job, unloading of finished job is done in semi-automatic lathe. Frequently asked questions: what are the uses of semi-automatic lathe and some of the questions we will discuss here. So by this I have concluded this today's session, and we have discussed about the automatic lathe and semi-automatic lathe. Right? In tomorrow's session we have discussed another types of lathe systems. Talking to this. Thank you.